Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can record PC screen using Snipping Tool. So let me go here and search Snipping Tool, and now here you can see by default you can capture any image here and you can take a screenshot. So now if you want to record a video, then you can go here and after that click here new button. Then you can select the area that you want to record. For example, let me select this one. And if you want to enable mic, then you can unmute, and after that you can also mute system audio as well. Then after that click on the button start, and now here you can see recording is active. So after that, how you can stop it, just you can go back here, and now where you can find out your recordings. So let me go back here, and after that you need to go in videos folder, then go to screen recordings, and after that here you can find out your screen recording. In this way you can easily record your PC screen using built-in screen capture